Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable picture color mode on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer option. And okay guys, the developer option is not show. And okay guys, to show or on the developer option, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to enable or show the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you are a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer option on system settings. And okay, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to picture color mode. And okay guys, you can see the picture color mode is disabled. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable, use sRGB. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled picture color mode on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.